Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with this Crafters Companion template library. It's an orange edition and we've got only one, which is red, coming I think next month. So I'm really excited because I'm going to have the full collection, hopefully, if I will not miss out on the last one, because they're going so fast on Crafters Companion page. So if you have it, I'm curious which project you're going to create first. So these are all the projects included in this orange template library. There are as always 15 of them, so let me show you each one of them, and you can decide, or you can tell me which one would you like me to create first. So we've got this gift bag. As you can see, it's really nice. Then we've got this, and of course, as always, are step-by-step tutorials how to draw around the template, how to cut, where to score, and how to put it together. So the second project is called Waterfall Card. I'm really want to do this one because it looks really cute, and I think it would be useful to do that one. Hexagonal petal card, that's the third. We've got the fourth project, which is called Split Gatefold Card. Looks really interesting. I like this one as well, and of course you can use those nesting dice which were included in the original template library. So if you're looking for this original template library, and that one probably is still available on Crafters Companion website, which I will try to link below the video if it's still available, of course. So project number 5 is this no glue pyramid treat box, and as you can see, it's really nice box. You could create to put some sweeties, or maybe hang it on a Christmas tree, maybe do something else. There are so many different things you could create with that. A favor box, you could put something, or put one box on a plate for your Christmas dinner, Christmas lunch. Yes, you can create different things. This one, multi-flip card. Oh, this one looks really nice. You can see that you're going to open the 3 different sections, and you open them up to reveal a message maybe inside. So this one is really nice. I haven't done this one before. Pop-up box card. This is fantastic project if you haven't done this one before. And as you can see, I think they use, for this inspiration, they use this butterfly collection, which comes with lots of butterflies and the cutting dice to go with those. So that's project number 7. And we've got butterfly shaped card. I'm really curious about that as well. Let's see, because I'm just curious about the template. I haven't seen this one yet. I didn't check all the templates. So that's number 8. Aha, and now I can see. You can see that there is this score line here, and you need to draw around this butterfly. You see, it would be nice to see those instructions. So let's see. Oh, they show us exactly how to do it over here. And I love that we've got mats and layers for this project as well. We've got smaller butterflies and all the embellishments. So yes, that would be really nice, cute card to make. Even for my girls, they could do it. Oh, this one looks really pretty. Heart cone box. Look at that beautiful shape. I think it's really nice. It could be for Valentine's Day or as a favor box again. So another fantastic project. Number 10 is this mini hexagonal Isa card. Look at this. It's really nice. And you see, because of the templates included, you don't need to have cutting dies, and it's perfect for people who are just starting and they don't have die cutting machine. I think those templates are just perfect. And this one is house gift box number 11. Let's see if they included the windows as well. I'm really curious about that one. So we've got number 11. So yes, I hope you can see it. There are those windows, mats and layers, all the elements you need. And it says that you need, for the base, you need one sheet of 8.5 inches by 11 inch. All the informations are included here. And finished project will measure 3 inches. Hope you can see it now. Now you can see it. 3 by 4.5 by 2. So that's the finished product for that house gift box. And it looks super cute. You can add some embellishments from your stash if you want to. And it looks so pretty with that craft card and those pink flowers. I love this one. And wow, cat shaped card. This is so nice, and you can do it as you see it over here for Halloween, for autumn, but you can do it for any occasions for anyone who loves cats. And I'm sure there are quite a few of them, and I'm pretty sure my youngest daughter would love to do that card for her friend because she just loves cats so much. Actually, both of them, whenever they're walking home from school, they always stop along the way and try to stroke every single cat they meet, which is cute. And oh, love this one. A square base gift bag. I love the shape, and I'm pretty sure it will be so easy to make. As you can see over here, the template is shown here on step number 1. So yeah, I will try to do every single project, but if you want me to do one particular project as a first project, let me know. Christmas cracker, of course, I've done it without templates. It's so easy to make. Actually, I've done this tutorial for this cute favor box. Let me grab that one. This one, if you've seen my step-by-step tutorial for this favor box, it looks a little bit like a Christmas cracker. So if you do the same measurements on the other side, you can create a Christmas cracker. So you don't need the template, but I'm sure this one will be so easy to make. As you can see, there is a lot of cutting with your craft knife, but I think it's such a fantastic way to create your own, because I'm sure you've got so many papers and you can decorate it in your own style, whichever papers you have. It doesn't have to be Christmassy, but I think it's super cute. So that's number 14. And template number 15, the last one, is the circular easel card. So you can create a beautiful easel card and decorate it in your own style. So let us see. It's very easy. You can see that you just trace around the base. You've got the base, square base. Why do we need this? Oh yeah, because they've got a square as a base, but you don't have to do that. You can just keep it in a circle shape, and you can do it without the square base, and because that's what I would do normally, without the square base. Or if you want, you can use the square base. It's all up to you, because it goes this way. So these are all the 15 templates with this orange template library. That's the front page with all the projects listed here. So if you want me to create a particular project, let me know in the description box below so I can check it out. Apology, my voice is still not back to normal after I think 5 or 6 weeks. I lost count at this point, to be honest, because it's getting better and it's getting worse, so it's up and down constantly. So if you want me to do one project from that list, let me know in the description box below so I can create it. I do have few which I wanted to try, and I'm pretty sure I would be able to do all of them this time. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know, what do you think about this orange template library? Do you like those templates? What do you think about it? Maybe you have your own already. I received mine last week, but I was again struggling with my voice a little bit for a few days, and then it went slightly better, but now it's a little bit yeah, up and down constantly. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm looking forward to hear from you about those templates. Okay, bye for now.